How can I repair a crack to the bottom acrylic of my tanning bed?
Good morning. My name's Kel. Short of replacing the part, you'll need a multi-step repair. You'll need an acrylic repair kit, either from a boat store or auto parts store. For adequate strength, your repair will extend a couple of inches from the crack on all sides. Lightly sand the patch area. Cut to the fiberglass mat to size. Apply adhesive to the prepared area and then press the mat into it. Apply more adhesive over the top and fare out the edges. When dry, sand out any rough spots. Apply a filler over that and wait to dry. You may need several coats. Sand in between coats. With the filler, you're making the repaired area as smooth as possible. Sand lightly. It's easy to sand into the fiberglass. When the patch is smooth, use a spray paint of matching color to finish. You should be able to find a YouTube on acrylic repair. Does this all make sense? Have I answered your question?
You do realize that the acrylic is supposed to be clear. I have looked on YouTube and hadn't found anything about repair to a crack in the acrylic, just scratches.
I thought that cracked piece was translucent. I was thinking in terms of strength. Haven't done this myself, so I'm thinking out loud. Look for the thinnest clear plastic you can find at a hardware store. Apply slow-set superglue to almost the entire surface. Hold the glue back about 1/4 of an inch from the edge so when you press it to the crack, none of the glue oozes out. Use the gel-type glue for better control. How does this sound?
It might be worth a try. Do I put it on both sides?
Both sides would give you the strongest repair. Hello, Judith. This is Kel checking in to see how the repair project's going.
Kind of gotten busy and have not had the time to check out the items to do the repair.
Hello again, Judith. If you have any follow-up questions, let me know. Yours, Kel.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.